Aw, that's mean. Go get it, Chloe. Go get it. She can't turn around so quick. Go get it. Go get it. Hang on a second, Matt. We'll get it.
Oh, no, she got it.
Yeah.
The phone has you grab the hook, man.
All right, Matt. Hang on just a second. We'll get batteries for it. Hang on.
Come on, Chloe. I'm supposed to get that thing out quickly. Look out, man. Come on over here, buddy. No, come by me. What are you doing?
Matt, you know better.
Come on, you're gonna wreck it.
Well, I want to do it. I want to catch it.
No, that's not what we're doing. Just move out of the way. Let go of it. I want you to do it.
I want my batteries.
Doesn't his little black one have batteries?
That one there.
That's mean, though. She thinks she can get it. Chloe, don't go after it. You're teasing her.
Yeah. Let's mess this up. Matt, come on over here. Pick yours up.